Ready to discover the secret to a hearty, flavor-packed Iranian dish that's perfect for any meal? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Neely and today we are diving into a classic Iranian dish, Koofteh. These big juicy meatballs are perfect with bread for a cozy meal. Let's go over the ingredients and I will walk you through every step to make this delicious dish at home. Here are the ingredients for 4 servings. Ground meat, rice, split chickpea, onion, bell pepper, prune, barberry, walnut, salt, black pepper, turmeric, tomato paste, water, vegetable oil. Start by washing 1 cup of rice and 1 cup of split chickpeas under cold water until the water runs clear. Soak them in a bowl of water for 30 minutes, then drain well. In a food processor, add 1 peeled onion, 1 chopped bell pepper, the drained rice and split chickpeas, also walnut I forgot to add now. Then mix until combined but still slightly chunky, not too smooth. Now add 350 grams ground meat, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 2 teaspoons salt, and about 10 grams barberries. Mix everything with your hands until well combined. If the food processor struggles, knead by hand for a better mix, like the way that I did. Add 1 cup of water to a frying pan to prevent sticking, then form the mixture into large and round meatballs about the size of a small orange. Then place the meatballs in a pan, cover and cook about 10 minutes over medium heat. While the meatballs cook, finely chop the second onion and dice the remaining green bell peppers. In a pan, heat vegetable oil over medium heat. Saute the onion and pepper for 5 minutes until soft and golden. Add oil to the frying pan and lightly fry the meatballs for 2 or 30 minutes per side to brown before adding the sauce. Put 20 prunes around the meatballs. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric and 2 tablespoons tomato paste, stirring for 1 minute. Then pour in 2 bowls of water and let it boil. Gently pour the sauce over the meatballs. Be careful not to break them and try to add the sauce from the size of the pan. Cover the pan and simmer for about an hour. Let the flavors melt and the meatballs cook through. Serve your koofteh hot with fresh bread and enjoy the explosion of flavors from the prunes, barberries and spices. Let me know in comments how yours turned out, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes. See you next time, bye!